Hi there, my name is Jeff Evans. I'm a magician, but I also present motivational magic shows for schools. One of my programs that I'm getting ready to do right now is called No Bullies Allowed, and in it I teach elementary age students simple things they can do to prevent or stop bullying from happening. And the magic is that when you do give someone a warm fuzzy, they have more warm fuzzies to give away, and pretty soon those warm fuzzies are going to start spreading and multiplying and growing, and pretty soon people are having a fantastic day. Yes, so you guys are already on your way to using your power of empathy. How about that? Is that the bully at Hammond Elementary? I think I've seen him walking around out by the playground. And interestingly, the things that you can do as a bystander are the same things that you would do if you were the victim of bullying. You could tell the bully to stop, you could walk away. Well, wait and cool off, because sometimes you're really mad at the time, but once you think about it, you'll realize that what you were really upset about maybe wasn't that big of a deal. If you are interested in either a virtual program or an in-person program, please send me a message. You can message me here or visit my website. It's edgeamazement.com. When Hank walks into the room, it's almost like the sun has just come out. People start smiling and having a good day, and everyone lived happily ever after. The end.